Good morning guys, day 5 of the lockdown and I will show you what I have for breakfast.
It's over, now you wanna come back. So take your hand off my shoulder. This time it's not like that, 'cause I know where your heart's at. I know you like to be alone, but hey, being lonely when you see me doing well, that's when you call me. Yeah, I'm doing fine, don't need you in my life. I guess you're missing me now. Just because you're lonely doesn't mean we go back to the start. Just because you're lonely don't mean that you can play with my heart. Who do you think you are? Just because you're lonely doesn't mean we go back to the start. Just because you're lonely don't mean that you can play with my heart. Who do you think you are? You say you've changed and you're different, but I don't wanna hear that. Your friends are saying
Hey guys, what's up? So today we were thinking we're doing a little German lesson with Mark because how you know I'm from Germany originally.
Originally.
Uh,
Maybe I need to teach her something.
Alright. Something funny because I was thinking you should know how to say a few sentences. For example,
Du bist hübsch.
what means
I'm pretty. No, you're pretty.
and
This one? Ich mag dein Haar.
ich mag deine Haare.
What she said.
I like your hair. So say I'm from the Philippines.
I'm from the Philippines. Ich komme aus den Philippinen.
Yeah, not bad.
Hast du Geschwister?
Hast du Geschwister? What means
Yeah.
do you have siblings?
Wie alt bist du?
How old are you?
Yeah, how old are you? So that's basically my top German words. I know how to say the basic. I just need to learn how to say I'm hungry. Because all I know how to say is how are you? Wie geht es dir? 40% of Germans actually speak English in Germany.
40, that's not much.
That's not much, but my chances are pretty
You
high.
will find them.
I will find them. Anyway, I'm gonna finish this. We're gonna finish this right now. So pretty much, das war Deutsch mit Mark and Karina.
Woo! Yeah.